Back to Electrical Car Repair Live. In today's video, guys, we're going to show you here if you have a Toyota Sienna generation 2011 to 2016-17, you have a maintenance required light, okay, like this one right there, how to get rid of it. So check out here, it tells us the same little dash as well. So now this video, guys, will apply to both Siennas, the one without navigation and the one with navigation. So stay with us and we'll show you guys how to perform that now. It doesn't matter if you have navigation, if you don't, you can do it through the navigation, but we're going to share the method that works on both cars. And you're going to get rid of that message there, and you will not see that light maintenance required anymore. So what you need to do now, you need to start the car, okay, you need to set the computer, okay, to show trip A. Okay, this is trip B. Right here, trip A. Now, you need to leave it like that. After that, okay, you're going to turn the car off. Turn it off. Do not press the brake pedal. We're going to press that button twice to turn the ignition on, but at the same time, we're going to hold the button. So we'll hold this button down, press the ignition switch twice, or if you have a key, just turn it to the second position without starting the car, and you will see the message in the center dashboard that says oil wipe reset. So let's press this one first, click this one twice, okay, and it said resetting oil maintenance. We keep holding that button, now let go when it says complete. Okay, and you can see it just took a couple seconds to do that. Now I'm going to go ahead, start the car, and you can see right now, okay, there is no oil maintenance light. Now you can go ahead, okay, and program that one, okay, through the setup. Click setup if you have the navigation, vehicle, maintenance, and you can go to engine oil, and you can go ahead actually and put a reminder here, okay, when it needs to be done. In our case, we can extend it if we want to. You can, all we have to do, just click edit. Okay, the 8,000 miles usually we go on an oil change in. You only have to click confirm after that, and you have 8,000 miles to go. You can also do a date if you want, when it needs to be replaced next time. So if you don't meet those miles, you know when the next time will be to replace it, because usually we don't let it sit in the car for more than a year. And you can see the light is gone and we don't have anything in the dash anymore here. So hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.